Hey, what's up, Binance holder? Today is a very good day for Binance hero holders. This is absolutely going good results. This is Binance price predication, live price predication. Check it out. The last 1 hour result. This is absolutely going good result. You can check. This is this last 1 hour result and absolutely give a good change. Plus 1.65%. This is absolutely going good change. And if we check it out, the last 1 hour highest change. This is absolutely going 260 US dollar. This is good time for Binance holders to please sell it. This is absolutely for good selling time. This is just last 1 hour result today, absolutely going good result. Okay, so let's check it out. The last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result is absolutely good. Wow, amazing. This is already good result. I am very happy. I'm very excited because I'm also Binance holder, so I'm very happy. If you are happy, please subscribe button. Please press the subscribe button. I'm very happy if you click the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and press the bell icon for latest news of all currencies. I updating you anytime, any hours of all cryptocurrencies. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.